Are you missing a critical code dependency like the Visual C++ Runtime 140 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to show you the professional way to fix it. To kick off the Visual C++ Runtime 140 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Visual C++ Runtime 140, a specialized entry point for the Visual C++ runtime environment. It handles low-level memory operations, MCPY, and exception handling. It is a mandatory requirement for modern high-performance software. Missing versions are the number one cause of the code execution cannot proceed errors in 64-bit apps. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ Redistributables from Microsoft and install them. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Visual C++ Runtime 140 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A vital technical reminder: modifying Visual C++ Runtime 140 DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Visual C++ Runtime 140 documentation. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Visual C++ Runtime 140 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.